The feast day of Nativity of the Blessed Mother Mary is celebrated each year on the 8th of September. I wish you all blessed feast day celebrations of Mother Mary. When we think about Mother Mary, we have to consider always the parents of Mother Mary, Joachim and Anna. The meaning of Joachim is raised by Yahweh. The meaning of Anna is grace or grace of the Lord. Mary was specially chosen by God with full of grace and raised by Yahweh to become Theotokos, Mother of God. When we think about the root meaning of Mary, it comes from the name Miriam. The word Miriam is the combination of two words. Mir, it means bitterness. Yam, the sea. When we consider the meaning of Mother Mary is that sea of bitterness, I would like to give a new explanation to the name of Mother Mary. When we consider the Old Testament, the journey of people of Israel from Egypt to Promised Land, they reached the desert place, the place called Mara. They are searching for water, but at last they found out a lake called Mara, but the water was so bitter. They could not drink the water. But at the same time, the leader of the people of Israel, Moses, he took a piece of wood and put in the bitter water. The bitter water changed into sweet water. Then I would like to give new interpretation to Mother Mary in the New Testament. We can see in the John's Gospel, Mother Mary standing at the foot of the cross of Jesus. The cross is made up of two pieces of wood. Then I would like to give the meaning of Mother Mary at the foot of Jesus is that whenever we have the bitter experiences in our own life, whenever we call upon the name of Mother Mary, the bitter attitude, the bitterness will change into sweet memories. That is the speciality of Mother Mary. Whenever we pray, whenever we call upon the name of Mother Mary, our negative attitude changes into positive attitude. On this joyous day, I would like to remember and to pray for our 12 postulants. 9 of them are entering into their canonical novitiate on 8th September in the novitiate of Ambarakkad. Other 3 are entering in the novitiate of Kenya. Let us remember them on this joyous occasion for their commitment to the people and to the religious CMI congregation. Then I also want to remember and pray for our aspirants in Madagascar. In the coming 14th of September, 5 aspirants in Madagascar, they are entering into the postulancy period for 1 year. Remember them in our prayers. I would like to add and to pray for our sick brethren in our communities. Once again, I wish you all blessed day celebrations of Mother Mary. Thank you very much.